Look what just came inside the mail. I am so excited to see what is inside of my glam bag. This is my first time ordering from Ipsy and my expectations are high, and like I said, I'm excited. So let's jump right into the video.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features.
Hey, if this is your first time checking out my channel, then welcome. If you're returning, then welcome back. In case you're wondering, who is Ipsy? They are a brand that was founded back in 2011 and they've gained some traction, but basically they make glam bags and they also sell beauty products. So I have taken it upon myself to get the glam bag, which is the $12 option. They also have the glam bag plus and the glam bag ultimate, which are a little more expensive. But I thought that this would be good for me since this is my first time really using makeup. So let's see how they help me out. Also, please feel free to check out my GoFundMe account and the link is below in the description, but I'll be talking more about that at the end of the video. So let's get to the unboxing. So I'm just gonna get started opening it. It says discover yourself. I hope I get to do that. Okay, so very underwhelming, but so far I have this palette and this bag. On the bag, it has some ladies on it, and that's what's up. So I'll just get started with what's in the bag. Alright, so I have a couple of things in here. It's a decent sized bag. I don't know, in my head I thought that like it would be bigger, and I kind of expected to get more things, even though they tell you up front that you're only getting like 5 things max, but whatever. Alright, so the first thing that I have is a 24-hour brow setter, and you actually get the option when it comes closer to your day that the bag is going to be delivered to you. To choose whatever you want, and this is one of the things that I chose. And it looks so pretty. Like, look at the little lady with the cane. Like, she's mad lit. And a part of the glam bag that I got is everything is supposed to be sample size, which is fine because if I really like it, then I'll buy it. So I just tried the brow setter gel and I don't know what to expect, if you guys can see, but I like it. I think it's okay. So you could let me know in the comments if you think this one is a keeper. So the next thing is Real Chemistry Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream. I don't know how I feel about that, you know, like I have some sensitive skin, so I don't really just put anything on my face. It smells like lotion and it looks like lotion, so this is probably gonna turn into a lotion for me, less of a face cream. But I would say like this is something that's just okay, like not upset that I have it. And this is basically mascara. Okay, y'all, so y'all know that I am an old lady. I call this mascara. This is eyeliner, okay? I already have like 50 different black eyeliners, so if this just so happens to be another color, I would be so grateful. Yeah, so this is eyeliner, and let's see what happens when I put it on. So this is I like this eyeliner. I actually don't have an eyeliner that is as thick as this one is. So I really appreciate that it's kind of like a draw-on eyeliner. And this is what I'm looking like. And the next thing that I have in here is information on a giveaway. So I'm not gonna try this on, but I'll consider it later. Okay, I have a eye shader. That's what it's called, for the eyes. The only thing is, let's see if I have anything to use it with. So we're gonna put that on hold, and we're coming to the end of what is inside the bag. But there is something else that couldn't fit inside the bag that they sent separately. So I'm gonna show that in a minute. They gave me a leave-in conditioner. This is once again like something that I'm a bit afraid of just because I'm black, and like the products that I use in my hair are like natural products that are like specifically made for black hair and just hair like it. So this is the type of stuff that you give away. So next I have this eyeshadow palette, which I am actually already obsessed with. Haven't even touched it. Well, I am touching it. Haven't even like seen what was in it yet, and I am super excited to try it out. Like, it looks so cool. It has like the glittery thingy, the glittery eyeshadow, and it's called Berry Burst. Isn't that wonderful? I'm just gonna get disrespectful with this because it does not want to open. Ooh la la. Came in a very like nice wrapping. Okay, so like I said, the Berry Burst, fun size. So already, like I said, in love with the thing. It has a mirror, okay, a great mirror, so I can see myself as I put stuff on. Genius, okay. I don't know why I smelled it. I just assumed that maybe it would smell like Berry Burst, but it doesn't. And that's okay. I'm still in love. So I'm gonna try it out and see if I like it. So one thing that I do like, and I think that they took into consideration, like they meaning Ipsy, is that like when you first sign up, they have you take a personalized beauty quiz, and like thankfully these colors like match well with my skin tone, so I'm already excited. Alright, so my makeup may not be perfect, but I tried giving the tools that I have available to me at the moment. So this is what I have done with the Berry Blast makeup eyeshadow. For final thoughts, I would say that I am a little underwhelmed with the amount of things that I got. Definitely making this video was fun, but I would say, you know what, I'm gonna take that back. I liked it. I liked everything that I got, especially the eyeshadow and the eyeliner. Those are my favorites. The eyebrow setter gel, not too sure if it did its job or not. You guys will let me know, I know that. But other than that, I am pretty satisfied. My final reviews. In terms of affordability, you get about 7 things for $12 every month if you do the basic glam bag thingy. And not bad, honestly, not bad. So I would say it's fine with me. In terms of skin tone accuracy, which is an important thing for people of color, okay? In terms of the type of makeup that they're giving us, I think that for this brand, I would say I'm satisfied. I liked all of these products. Like I said, a little skeptical about the leave-in conditioner, and I don't know, I'll probably give it to one of my friends if I don't want it, but and also this daily moisturizing cream, like a little afraid to use it on my skin, but other than that, like I'm fine with everything that I got. I would definitely recommend Ipsy to a friend, to a family member, to whoever is maybe a beginner at makeup, or maybe even a pro at makeup, or just doesn't really have the time to look for makeup. I think for me, I'm not really a makeup fanatic. The most that I'll do is eyeliner, eyeshadow, and maybe a little bit of lipstick, lip gloss. Having Ipsy makes it a lot easier for me to try new things and to get new things that I like. So I like it, I would recommend it. So that comes to the end of my video. Please do not hesitate to give it a nice fat thumbs up and to leave some juicy comments below. And like I said, I would be sharing a little more details on my GoFundMe account. So like I've mentioned in previous videos, I am not monetized and I make YouTube videos out of just the sheer joy of making YouTube videos. And at the moment, I use my iPhone 6 camera to vlog and to make videos. And unfortunately, my iPhone cannot uphold the amount of pressure that I put on it with video quality standards and just memory space. So I made a GoFundMe in hopes that you all could help me out in my journey towards making better and greater video content. So feel free to look at the link to my GoFundMe and you can donate, and of course there are incentives. Every donation receives a personalized thank you, and donations over $50 receive a personalized honorary mention in my YouTube videos. So it's on you whether or not you want to be honorably mentioned. And feel free to check out my share code in the description if you want to give Ipsy a try and maybe get a glam bag and look like me. So see you next time.
Everyone's lining up to see her.